English Step by Step, Phrasal Verbs with Up, Step 2. In this video you'll find a practice exercise using the phrasal verbs which we looked at in the Step 1 video, so make sure you watch that video first. Remember, click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. So here's the practice exercise. Now, one of the best ways of remembering vocabulary and practicing vocabulary is by asking and answering questions. So the first stage of this exercise is to look at the questions and complete them using the phrasal verbs in the list on the right. Then, when you've finished making the questions, think of ways that you would answer these questions. You don't have to write them down. That is also good practice, but just think of ways that you can use the phrasal verbs to answer the questions. And then in the Step 3 video, we'll look at the questions and we'll discuss different ways of answering them. I'll leave the questions up for 1 minute so you have time to write down the phrasal verbs for the numbers, and then you can also pause it if you need more time.